There are 75 more women than men enrolled in Ledan College. If there are n men enrolled, then in terms of n, what percent of those enrolled are men? And then we have all these very scary looking things over here. This is a question, I think it's the last one in this section. So, I have no idea how to get this. This is all very, very scary looking. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make up some numbers and then we're gonna plug them in to figure out which one is our answer. So, if we have 100 women, there's 75 more women than men, which means we'll then have 25 men. I made those up. You can make up whatever numbers you want to. Smaller numbers always seem to work better for me, which means our total enrollment is going to be 125. So we have 125 men and women, 25 men and 100 women. It says what percent of those enrolled are men? So we're going to take 25, put it over 125, and we're going to get 0.2 if we divide it in the calculator. You move your decimal twice, and that gets me 20%. What this means is when I put in 25 for my n, out of this mess of numbers, I need to get 20% as my answer. Now, we are going to do a couple. So, for A right here, my n is men. There are n men enrolled. So, I'm going to put in 25, and then 25 plus 75. It's going to be 25 over 100, which is going to get me 0.25%. And I put in the calculator. B is going to be 25, and then 2 times 25 plus 75. So I made it 25 over 125, which is going to get me 0.20%. And I know this feels like it should be the answer, but because they put this percent here, it actually is not going to be our answer. What we're actually getting right here is 0.2%. Okay, so let's come down here to E. I'm going to do 100 times 25, 2 times 25 plus 75. I'm going to get 2,500 over 125. That's going to get me 20%. Now this one's really tricky, and this is our correct answer. Because of that percent, it has to come out as the correct whole number. So 20%. And that is our answer. And that is why this is a level 5 question.